Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. You know, I am getting ready for the fishing opener here in the upper Midwest. And for us, that is like a major holiday, and especially for me because this is the one time a year I am so excited. You open up the cabin, you get that fishing going on, and I can't wait for it. It can't come soon enough. Now, one of the traditions that I do every year is I have a big breakfast that morning. We are on the lake by 6 a.m. So what I do is I get the eggs out, I get the bacon, and we have Four Brothers Bacon at Coborn's. And if you haven't had a chance to try this, you are missing it because this is awesome bacon. The next thing you've got to do is make sure you pick up Kemp's orange juice. This is my absolute favorite again. And the eggs. And off to fishing you are. But before I go fishing, I also have to plan out my menu because it's not all about fishing. It's about food again, as usual. So I've got my little fancy cooler with the bobber. I love it. Take it on the boat. And what I did is I put together some items that are going to kind of help you to plan your menu for the day. Now, one of the things I really like is the pre-packed salads that we have at our deli. And so I grabbed some potato salad. You got to have that for lunch. Then what I did is I stopped in the meat department and I'm going to slice up some of our tangy summer sausage, which is ooh good. Then I've got the beef sticks because I'm a snacker, so I'm going to be doing some snacking in between catching all that fish. And then, of course, I have got the Food Club dry roasted peanuts. We also have Food Club combination of different snacks. We've got taco chips, ripple chips, we've got kettle chips, and so many other varieties that I take those along because, again, catching fish, you start to get hungry. Also, for a snack, I have got the trail mix, which is healthy and great. Now, one of the other things that I did while I was putting together my menu is I picked up some dollar buns out of our bakery, and then I stopped in our deli and I got some Kretschmar honey ham sliced, and I also did our Kretschmar sliced cheese. So I'm going to pack those and get those ready to go. I'm going to take those along with me. You know, a girl gets hungry when she's catching all that fish. So I've got my cooler packed, and the one thing I can't forget is I have to have a little sweet when you're catching those big walleyes on Northern. So I made sure to stop in our bakery and I picked up our Cookie Monsters, which we are famous for. Now, last but not least, when you get back, you take all this fish and you got them all cleaned up. It's time to relax. Now I'm going to bring out the big guns. My absolute favorite is Kemp's Gone Fishing. And if you see, it's got caramel in there, but it's got the little fish that are chocolate fish. I mean, what more could you ask for on a day of opening fishing? Now, kids are a big part of the fishing opener, and we don't want to forget the kids. So you want to make sure you get a little treat for them. You will be the hit of the party with these bobber cupcakes. I hope you have a great fishing opener, and I hope you catch the big one.